I think it's a living language when it is used. And so that's why I say it's, I can't quite, I wouldn't dismiss it. I mean, certainly like in the summer program here this year, a lot of the students and faculty really tried to carry on their day-to-day conversations in Yiddish. And it was interesting because they know that I'm not that fluent, so they would speak to me in English. And I asked some people to try me, you know, because I wanted to develop that more. And it was fun. It was fun to be speaking that language together. And I enjoyed hearing it and you know, following it as much as I could. But again, where it feels artificial is because, you know, there isn't a country where Yiddish, you know, one of the things we were looking into here, you know, what kind of resources there are for learning Yiddish online. And there's some program that has all different languages and they just plug in. And so they had plugged in Yiddish, and there were things like, you know, where do I get my passport? You know, where's the parking meter? I don't know, things like that. Now, maybe in certain communities in Brooklyn, you know, you might actually have those conversations in Yiddish. There are places where, like in Borough Park, you can see the ATM machines have English and Yiddish as choices on them. But that's very, very limited. So, you know, it's not a national, and yet it could be the common language. I'm trying to remember who it was telling me recently about having visited some relatives, you know, in another country, and actually Yiddish was the common language they could communicate in. So there's that, you know, which is not nothing, you know.